Alright, so today is Wednesday, February 6th. It is actually just 10 a.m. on the dot right now. Sorry about the construction noises in the back. It looks like it might rain in the next couple hours, so I didn't want to go too far from my house. I'm just going to be throwing whatever I can today to catch anything. I have no specific lure that I want to try. I'm just going to try different techniques until I can catch something. I have my ultralight rod with me, as well as my ultralight lure box. So I'm going to go ahead and pick something out from here to start off with. Let's see. I'm going to start with this. So it rained a little bit last night, but the water isn't moving too rapidly, so I'll probably be able to have a little bit of success today. We actually had like a warm streak here in Alabama, which has been nice. I think the temperature go back down to the 40s for a few days, and I think next week is going to be, I think, in the 50s. So it's looking like the weather's going to be warmed up here, or it's looking like the weather's starting to warm up here for good now. At least I hope so. Living in Maryland, I feel like the winter lasted so much longer. It's crazy. Yeah, it's pretty humid today. Nice out. Could have worn shorts and a t-shirt if I wanted to. Humidity. Alright, time for the first cast. Hopefully today is successful. Feeling pretty optimistic. This water is crystal clear still. It's gonna be thrown over to where the water's slack. Oh, something just went for it. As soon as this thing's hitting the water, something's going for it. But nothing is taking it yet. Yes, ma'am. Oh, foul hooks fish. Well, oh wow. How the heck? Well, I don't think that counts. Oh, red breast sunfish. Oh, foul hook though. Seems like things have stopped going after it. Normally it gets swiped at when it first hits the water, but then after that, nothing's committing. I need to switch out. Maybe we need something that dives a little bit more. Kind of want to keep using this. Maybe I'll just move down some. And then switch out baits and work my way back. I'm really surprised that the bite died off on this. Normally works pretty well. Maybe I need something with a little bit more deep action though. Ooh, the bad cast. All I got is one foul hooked red breast sunfish. Hopefully I can get more with this lure. I think I'm just gonna keep fishing this lure, and if it doesn't work out, I'm gonna switch out and work my way back around to where I started. But I guess that's the plan for now. On to the next spot. Switch out lures. I think I need something that dives a little bit deeper down in the water column, so I'm gonna see what I have. It's not working out anymore too well. Not even a nibble. Oh, finally, man. Tiny little bluegill. Tiny little bluegill. Just let them go. All I see is teeny little bluegill. Give it 3 more casts, then I'm gonna move down. It has to be a bass or just a little bit bigger fish somewhere. Oh, so I just went for that. Nothing ever wants to commit. She's soft plastic maybe. So I just found another pool. It would be ideal if I could get to the other side, but there's not really a way for me to cross. So even though I have a bad angle, I'm gonna go ahead and give it a few casts here. I just caught a tiny little bluegill, but every time I cast, I was getting bites. So this is the deepest pool that I've seen here. I'm gonna give it a few casts and see what happens. You gotta be kidding me. How do I keep doing that? Look at that little tiny. Another foul hook. 2 foul hooks. Wow, 2 foul hooks one day. You know what I haven't caught all winter? Has been a green sunfish. I wonder where they all go during. I wonder where they are during the winter. Oh, I'm getting bit. There we go. Finally. A little better bluegill. Getting better. There we go. Another little bluegill. A little bit bigger. Oop. There he goes. Soft plastic was probably the way to go today. So that's gonna do it for the day. It wasn't the most successful day, but I did get out and I did get some fishing done. Hopefully on Friday the weather's nice and I can get back out again on my off day. But if not, that's gonna do it for the week. Hope everybody's having a great week. See you next time.